personally be there. I will personally be there to make sure that Julius goes behind bars. Mark my words, I will be there. And Julius can go on and say that if that boy comes and he tries to stop me, he'll meet his maker. Julius, I don't go around with blue lights and bodyguards. And let me tell you, if Julius will be at that march for whatever reason, at any given point on the street, he will be surrounded by bodyguards. Now, the long and short of it is that a message to Manto, Julius's wife: do not worry, we will continue to take care of you with Julius behind bars.
Last remark, you and Dandalax on each other's throats. What's the deal there? Can't you pull together and with the people of your kind of influence and stature to work together towards resolving problems that are affecting your constituency, which is truly joint, if one may say.
Who's that?
Yeah, there's a way to people.
No, I'm saying who are you talking about? Who's that?
It's my next guest.
Yeah, I don't know those things. I'm international.
Things.
But you do know.
No, I'm international. Cuba, if you go there and say Julius Malema.
Have you ever met and talked with him?
I don't know what you're talking about. I have no time for things. I've got time for beings.
But why Ntantalax and Malema are beefing? This has to stop. They are both brothers. So please, Juju and Ntantalax, fix this. Thank you for watching South African Lady News.